much for joining us here for Project Baby Jan Camille United.
Yes, thank you. Thank you. Thank you, everybody, for coming out again. Felt like we were just here not about the months. Thank you again.
Here tonight, Jan, and of course, Interverse, Sabina, and Arias. Of course, we have Charud. Apostolic as well as here. Christian P. will be walking the red carpet as well.
Hi, Christian!
Let's move here, guys. Let's move here. Ayan.
Wala ko si Pointy.
Martha, here with us in the red carpet.
Yes, sir! Hi! Hi, yes, sir!
Harrison Gutierrez.